Hey everyone! Welcome back to New Brand Car, the channel where we break down the latest, greatest, and sleekest cars hitting the market. Today we're diving into the 2025 BMW Z4, a roadster that's turning heads for all the right reasons. It's bold, it's athletic, and it's designed for those who love the thrill of the drive. Let's start with the design, because this car demands attention. BMW has really pushed the boundaries of their classic roadster style with the Z4. Up front, you've got the signature kidney grille, but with a bit more flair. It's wider, bolder, and gives this car an aggressive stance that's hard to ignore. The lines across the hood sweep back with precision, almost like the car is cutting through air even when it's standing still. And those LED headlights, sleek and piercing. They've even added a subtle DRL element that enhances visibility and style. Around back, it's just as impressive. The 2025 Z4 keeps that clean, athletic profile. You'll see bold, sculpted lines and a low, squat rear that screams power and stability. The dual exhausts are positioned perfectly to emphasize the performance-driven design of the Z4. And if you love color, BMW's got you covered. They've rolled out some stunning new finishes for the 2025 model, including a fiery red, a metallic blue, and even a matte gray that gives it a futuristic edge. Now, let's pop the hood. Underneath, you'll find an enhanced engine lineup. BMW's offering both a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder and a 3.0-liter inline 6. That inline 6 is where the real magic happens. It puts out a massive 382 horsepower, which means you're going from 0 to 60 in around 4.4 seconds. And if you're like me, that's exactly the kind of power you want in a car like this. It's not just about speed, it's about a drive that feels responsive, energetic, and ready to perform at any moment. One thing BMW has done really well is balancing performance with efficiency. They've incorporated some mild hybrid tech that helps reduce fuel consumption without compromising on that kick you get when you step on the gas. You're getting the thrill of the drive without constantly worrying about your fuel gauge. Inside, BMW has truly taken luxury to the next level. It's a driver-focused cockpit, so everything feels like it's designed around you. The leather-wrapped seats are supportive and comfortable, perfect for long drives. There's an updated infotainment system with a massive 2.3-inch touchscreen that's intuitive and easy to navigate. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are fully integrated, so you're always connected. And there's even an optional Harman Kardon sound system for those who love crystal clear audio on the go. Safety-wise, BMW hasn't cut any corners. The Z4 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like lane departure warning, forward collision mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. It's reassuring to know you're in a car that not only looks and feels amazing but also keeps you protected. To wrap things up, the 2025 BMW Z4 is everything a roadster should be: stylish, powerful, and fun to drive. It's a car made for those who crave the open road and the thrill of driving. BMW has managed to blend performance, luxury, and innovation in a way that feels incredibly satisfying. If you're considering a car that gives you a premium feel with unmatched performance, the Z4 is absolutely worth a test drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to New Brand Car for more reviews of the latest models. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and tell us what you think about the Z4. Would you take it for a spin? See you in the next video, where we bring you even more thrilling car content. Keep driving and keep dreaming.